Hello, in this quick Canva tutorial, how to take an image like this and then add an element behind it. Let's say this magical dog, but could be a person creating that photobomb effect, or it could be a word, say a title that kind of disappears behind your figures in an image. It is possible to do this in Canva, and today I'm going to show you how. So hey everybody, I'm Dr. Craig Engstrom, but you can just call me Craig because I prefer that. Also today I'm going to be playing the photo doctor because I'm doctoring some photos. Let's go ahead and add a page here, and let me show you how to do it. So go to Elements, of course, add something in. I'm just using a generic stock photo. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to set as image background. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to just align it over to the right hand side, so it's left aligned. And I just want to do this to make it easier, but you could have the image sort of looking any way you want. It just takes a little bit more time to do some adjustments. Now I'm going to add the other layered image. You can add this at any time and just use the positioning tool to move it forward or backward when you have multiple elements on a canvas. I'm going to go ahead and just make this a little larger to where I want it. And now what I'm going to do is add the other layered image again. So from that background, I'm going to go to Edit Image, Background Remover. I just need to make this align now with the other image and snap that there, and there you go. Okay, so if it does this, just FYI, sometimes it does this, gets finicky. You just need to undo. You can go here, or I hit Control Z and it'll just fix that. So that is super simple to do, as you can see, and you can have fun doing it with multiple layers. Do note that the more layers you add, the more difficult it'll be, and in the future I'll do a video on sort of how to add multiple layered images by doing a variety of transparent downloads. I do have a video, I'll link in the description, that shows you how to create that outline effect or the glow effect around this image if you would like to do that, just to even create a little bit more texture around your figures in the image. That is possible. So that is it. Really simple to do. I will show you that it can start looking pretty cool because, as you can see here with the background remover, now I really have that layered effect where it's going behind the arm of one of my former students, alums. We met up at the RAGBRAI cycling event in Iowa. And yeah, so you can really have some fun with this. So that's it. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. And until the next video, I do hope that you have a wonderful day.